Hi guys, it's Jade Bolden. So it's day 25 of the 30-day cleanse and restore. So at the beginning of this month when we started the cleanse, I had no idea how eventful this month would turn out to be. I had already kind of let go of trying to have a baby or babies and falling pregnant. I just thought, no, I tried, so let things happen as they should. So when I first had my kids, it was simple, it was really easy, it was younger. But in the last 5 years, I've had this inspiration to have more kids. And yes, I'm over 40, and yes, the world says, hey, are you sure about this? But I wanted to be obedient, okay? So I've been cleansing and cleansing and cleansing. Cleansing is a fantastic thing to do because it helps you with mental clarity, and it helps especially me to have this stronger connection to the divine, so that when I hear God, the information is clearer. And so there's no doubt in my mind that I hear God, okay? So, it's been fantastic, and things have happened last year. I had 4 miscarriages last year, and it was a lot of learning for me and a lot of growth. So each time we cleanse, it helps you heal. It helps you heal for generations, and it helps, with knowledge and wisdom and discernment. So I feel like it's very important for all of us to cleanse ourselves. So then in the middle of the month, I found out that I'm pregnant, right? And so I was really excited, and I wasn't afraid to be happy. Sometimes people have a very narrow range of happiness and sadness. So I let myself be fully happy, because I know that there's a risk, okay? And the risk is, of course, disappointment and sorrow and grief. And that's exactly what happened, okay? Now, I just found out, just today that I had the miscarriage, right? And, it hurt, and I cried all morning. But I felt peace afterwards. And it was beautiful because, we're in day 25, and we're using the DDR Prime and the PB Assist. So I want to tell you a little bit about the DDR Prime and PB Assist and what I do and why I do what I do, just to help you guys, and maybe you want to adopt this lifestyle too. Okay, so I'm so grateful for the knowledge of the oils and the knowledge of healing. Sometimes we feel like we're just this victim to whatever the world throws at us, but we're really here to learn and grow. So every pain has a purpose. And so if we have those lenses on, we will see the lesson in love in everything that we experience, okay? So let's talk about DDR Prime. So it's a blend, all right? So the blend is, let's see, I'm looking at my book, my using the Gift of the Earth book. Okay, that's available. You can buy it online. I have a link there for you. So it's a blend of frankincense, clove, thyme, wild orange, litsea, lemongrass, summer savory, and nioli. All right, so these oils are really powerful at helping our cells change. Okay, so we're here to change. We're here to progress. So this oil is the oil of transformation and restoration. So transforming you to becoming something newer and restoring what you need to restore. Okay, so helps with cellular repair, of course. So it reminds the cell how to function properly. A cell has 3 jobs. The first job is specialized function. Whatever the cells is, a skin cell is supposed to do the job of the skin. Okay, it's supposed to look like skin. And then the second job is to duplicate itself, so mitosis. And the third job is for it to have apoptosis, which is self-destruct. And so if your cells are unhealthy and sickly and irreparable, then it should self-destruct, okay, to make room for new cells, right? If it's fixable, these oils actually go in there and encourage it to self-heal, because your body is the doctor, okay, the healer, okay. No medicine, no treatment, no oils, even supplements will do that for you. These are just tools that your body chooses to use to heal. Okay, so at the end of the day, you have power to choose to use those things to heal you, okay? We cannot heal passively, all right? So there's that amount of proactiveness that you need to kind of put into this work, okay? So helps with cells, helps with anything inflammatory. So, you know, when your hands and your joints and your body's hurting, the inside of your body's hurting, okay, it helps with that physically. Helps with the brain. It helps with just even addictions and cleansing your organs. So this is a really powerful oil blend to use, okay? So emotionally, it helps people who feel negative and feel like a martyr. For me, I never want to choose to be a victim. Okay, it's very tempting to say, oh, this happened to me, but you know, this is a blessing, it's a gift, and I have to see it as that. Yes, you're allowed to cry. Yes, you're allowed to mourn and to grieve and let it pass, you know, cry your eyeballs out, right? So I cried last night and I cried this morning. And then, you know, seek that connection to God, and we get over it quickly when we heal and we see hope again. Okay, so if you don't see hope, if you feel disheartened and you let the stuff that happens to you in your life weigh you down and you repeat it in your mind over and over, it's time to change. It's time to transform and restore this beautiful life again, okay? The positive is feeling balanced and restored, of course, renewed and stable, transformed, and rebirth secure, feeling changed and positive, positive beliefs about self and God, feeling authentic, receiving and cleansing and being simplified. Okay, so life should be a lot simpler. The more and more you cleanse, the more and more you allow yourself to see the lesson in love. Okay, so take this every day for the next 5 days to the end of the 30-day cleanse and restore, guys. This is so fantastic, so keep it up. All right, so the other thing that we are doing right now is the PB Assist. Okay, so let's look up PB Assist in this book here. So I'm looking at the Using the Gift of the Earth book, and my link is over there. Hello. Okay, so let's look at PB Assist. So this here is beautiful. It's actually double encapsulated. You can see that? I don't know if you can see that there. Okay, so you take about 3 of these actually in the evening. All right, so it's each one of them has 6 billion colony forming units, okay, of 6 different different types of probiotics. So it's dry freeze, and the outside will have a prebiotic that feeds the probiotic. So think of it as healthy, friendly bacteria that will shield your gut, okay? So creating this healthy shield around your gut, helping you break down the food, helping you repel the yucky things, okay? And this shield will remain up for a while, but it will start to diminish again, so we have to kind of reboot it again every now and then. Okay, so just remember, this is important. The thing is, we have the energy to allow these things to work more effectively, and this is what we can do. Okay, this is something powerful that you can do, is to think collaboratively. So for me, I like to take things on and do it, and I like to accomplish and I like to finish. So the lesson for me is to, you know, pause and teach and allow people to help out. Unlike other people, I dislike being the victim and, you know, feeling entitled to and taking from people. So it was really difficult for me to kind of receive, but I balance it up. So if you're on the other extreme, right, take more responsibility and balance yourself a little bit more, okay? So collaborative is everyone seeing the same vision and then everyone playing their role well and then moving whatever the vision is forward, okay? So that's basically it. So it really will help you with skin issues. It will help you, with mental clarity. So if you feel like my brain is not functioning properly, and digestive, of course. Okay, so if you have memory issues, try to use probiotics. Okay, and the idea is to see yourself as part of the community, and see that you belong, that you're capable and accepted, that you are protected by the community as well, okay, and reliable. Sometimes people feel like they let people down, and so they hide and they don't want to be a part of community, or they're overly critical of themselves, and so they're overly critical of other people because they think other people are critical of them, right? And so if we release that, let it all go, then you'll see that everybody's the same, everybody hurts the same, that we can connect to one another, and that we're part of each other, and then together we can be more. Okay, so focus on that. There's affirmations in my book. The affirmations for the probiotic is: I'm protected, secure, and happy. I allow family and friends to love and support me. Okay, I enjoy unity and community. And the DDR Prime, let's look that up again here. Okay, the affirmations: I love and forgive myself fully as I love and forgive others. I focus on love, light, and healing. Okay, so during this time, as you do the cleanse, if you need some extra help with emotional healing, use your oil. So lucky for me, I just got I won a free jasmine oil. Okay, so they don't make jasmine oil for sale, but I won this, yay. And just smelling whatever your favorite oil is can help you feel that amazing joy, help you stay focused on joy and positivity, okay? Don't live life passively, my friends. We don't have to, no matter what happens in our lives, everything is for a purpose. Every pain has a purpose, and the lessons are lessons in love. So learn to feel love and learn to give love, okay? And you'll find that life has more meaning, and you'll be able to overcome things and heal from things quickly. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for joining me. Please follow that link, and you'll find the books that are available to purchase. Okay, comment below. Tell me what about this video was helpful for you. Okay, and if you have any questions or whatever comments you'd like to comment, please comment below. Okay, thank you so much, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Bye for now. Happy cleansing.